451, I got sticks at Front Divine and College Prairie.
Copy that. We're coming up to the Barcubine intersection right now. I'll let you know which way it goes. He could turn, but oh, never mind. There you are.
Get sticks, 451.
Good sticks, and he just attempted to hit another deputy.
Another deputy with us. Local unit number 3 monitoring. Come on, let me fly.
Two attempted pits. He drove out of both of them. Third time's a charm.
Still a turn. Wait, still a turn. Steve. Oh, there we go. Correct.
Yeah, we got to move up. Move. I want to see.
Crossbar. Watch your crossbar.
Both of you, put your hands up on that windshield now.
Hands up. Can we kick the 65? We're going to need fire priority. We're going to need them to help get them out of this cab. It's jammed up against, and the truck's starting to burn.
We're gonna have to bust that windshield.
Hey, put some light on here. Put some light on here. Get back. Get back. Get away from the windshield, dumbass.
So you want to put my boot through it?
Come on.
I don't know. No. Get out.
Get out now.
I'm trying.
Crawl out.
I'm trying, sir.
On your head. Gun on your head. Don't put your hands on your head. On your head.
Now you're gonna burn. Let's go.
When I have another body, get him out.
Get out.
Yeah, I was trying to go home, dude. You said you right, dude.
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you said, give me this law. You have the right to talk to your question. If you cannot afford to fire, it's not burning, is it?
I don't think so. I think it's just steam from dew and stuff.
I just looked up and I was like, oh,
Just saw a bunch of smoke.
You understand this or no? It sounds like you got something to say. You understand this or no?
Yes.
So what were you saying? Just want to ride?
Yeah, I was trying to go home, dude. I was trying to get